Hey guys, this is Gorilla TV, and right now, me and Dave the Gorilla, hello, are looking round Sandal Castle. I know you're not an expert on Sandal Castle, but can you tell us a bit more? Yeah, Sandal Castle's a castle, obviously, and all that's left is ruins. It's not like the other castles. And if you look, there's some great views. Oh, look over there. It's included a thunderstorm for us. Brilliant. So yeah, a thunderstorm. What's that over there? Let me just zoom in. Right, that is the Emily Moore mast. So all the television comes from. I see. Right. The reason it sounds like I'm out of breath is because of these stairs. It's on the other side as well. Shh. Thunder. Let's go down here then. Oh! Oh! You alright? You're fine. Here's the monuments. Well, no, they're part of the castle. Alright. This looks like old stone. It is, Dave. It's from, oh, God knows, hundreds and hundreds of years ago. Well, there's Wakefield City Centre. I'll let me stop camera and... oh, I can't see the stations. We're going to stop the video there, aren't we? Here we are. We'll stop the video there. Oh, is that a train? Can't see it. We're over there somewhere. It might be. So, as you were saying, Dave, as I was saying, we're going to end the video there because the camera is just going to die of battery. But we're going to get it charged up and hopefully we'll go on more adventures, more videos or whatever. So subscribe to the channel and I'll see you next time.